Imagine a quiet street lined with 5 identical houses, each painted a different color. In each house lives a person with a unique nationality, who drinks a particular beverage, smokes a distinct brand of cigar, and keeps a specific pet. This is the setting for one of the world's most famous logic puzzles, often called Einstein's riddle. Legend has it that only 2% of people can solve it. Are you ready to put your logical thinking to the test? Let's begin by laying out what we know. 5 houses, 5 colors, 5 nationalities, 5 drinks, 5 cigars, 5 pets. No 2 houses are the same in any category. The challenge? To determine who owns the fish. To solve this riddle, you'll need to use a series of clues. Each clue gives you a piece of the puzzle, and just like a detective, you must use logic and deduction to fit all the pieces together. Here are the clues. 1. The Brit lives in the red house. 2. The Swede keeps dogs as pets. 3. The Dane drinks tea. 4. The greenhouse is immediately to the left of the White House. 5. The greenhouse's owner drinks coffee. 6. The person who smokes Pall Mall rears birds. 7. The owner of the yellow house smokes Dunhill. 8. The man living in the center house drinks milk. 9. The Norwegian lives in the first house. 10. The man who smokes blends lives next to the one who keeps cats. 11. The man who keeps horses lives next to the man who smokes Dunhill. 12. The man who smokes Blue Master drinks beer. 13. The German smokes Prince. 14. The Norwegian lives next to the blue house. 15. The man who smokes blends has a neighbor who drinks water. With these clues, let's start our logical deduction. First, we know the Norwegian lives in the first house. That means the first house is occupied by the Norwegian. The house next to the Norwegians must be blue, so the second house is blue. The man in the center house drinks milk. Since there are 5 houses, the center is the third house. So, milk is drunk in the third house. Let's look at the colors. We know the green house is immediately to the left of the White House. So, green can't be the last house, and white can't be the first. The greenhouse's owner drinks coffee. Let's try to assign colors. The first house is occupied by the Norwegian, and the house next to it is blue. The green and white houses must be together. The only way to fit them is for the greenhouse to be in the 3rd or 4th position. If green is 3rd, white is 4th. If green is 4th, white is 5th. But the 3rd house is already assigned milk as its drink, and the greenhouse's owner drinks coffee. So, green must be the 4th house, white the 5th. Now, the only colors left are red and yellow. The Brit lives in the red house, and the yellow house owner smokes Dunhill. The Norwegian is in the first house, and the only colors left for that house are yellow and red. But the Brit must be in the red house, and the Norwegian is not the Brit, so the first house must be yellow. That makes the second house blue, and the third house red. The Brit lives in the red house, so the third house belongs to the Brit. Now, let's assign drinks. The Dane drinks tea. The Brit is in the third house, drinking milk. The Norwegian is in the first house. The greenhouse is 4th, and its owner drinks coffee. That leaves tea and beer. The Blue Master smoker drinks beer. We'll come back to that. Let's look at pets. The Swede keeps dogs. The Brit is in the 3rd house, so the Swede could be in the 4th or 5th house. The person who smokes Pall Mall keeps birds. The yellow house owner smokes Dunhill. The man who keeps horses lives next to the man who smokes Dunhill. The yellow house is first, so the second house must have horses. Let's check cigars. The German smokes Prince. We haven't assigned the German yet. The person who smokes blends lives next to the cat owner and has a neighbor who drinks water. Let's fill in what we have. First house, Norwegian yellow, and Dunhill. Second house, blue, tea, horses. Third house, Brit red, milk, Fourth house, green, coffee. Fifth house, Swede, white, dogs, Now the German must be in the 4th house, as all the others are taken. The German smokes Prince. The only drink left for the second house is tea, so the Dane must live there. Now, the Blue Master smoker drinks beer. The only house left without a drink is the 5th, so the Swede drinks beer and smokes Blue Master. The person who smokes Pall Mall keeps birds. The only house left without a pet or cigar is the third, so the Brit in the red house smokes Pall Mall and keeps birds. The first house, Norwegian yellow, must have cats or water. The blend smoker lives next to the cat owner and next to the water drinker. By process of elimination, the Norwegian drinks water and the blend smoker is in the second house. The horse owner lives next to the Dunhill smoker, so the second house has horses. Now, the only pet not assigned is fish, and the only house without a pet is the German's house, the fourth house. So, who owns the fish? The German, in the greenhouse, drinking coffee, smoking prints, and keeping fish. Logic and deduction have led us to the answer. The German owns the fish. Congratulations if you followed along and solved the riddle. This puzzle is a classic example of how careful reasoning and attention to detail can unravel even the most complex mysteries. So next time you face a challenging problem, remember, break it down, look for patterns, and let logic be your guide.